How to get long healthy hair naturally. 12 hair care tips looking to grow long, healthy hair without harsh chemicals. In today's video, I'll share 12 proven natural tips for hair growth and strength that you can start today. 1. Scalp massages. Tip number 1. Give yourself a scalp massage for 5-10 minutes every day. This increases blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting stronger, faster growth. 2. Coconut oil treatments. Nourish your hair with coconut oil treatments once or twice a week. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and keeping your hair soft and strong. 3. Balanced diet. Healthy hair starts from within. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins like biotin, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, such as eggs, nuts, and leafy greens. 4. Avoid heat styling. Minimize the use of heat styling tools like blow dryers and flat irons. These can weaken your hair over time. Let your hair air dry as often as possible. 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a natural remedy for dry scalp and damaged hair. Apply fresh aloe to your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing. 6. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key for both your skin and your hair. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated and prevent dryness. 7. Silk pillowcases. Switch to a silk pillowcase. Unlike cotton, silk helps reduce friction, minimizing breakage and tangles while you sleep. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Rinse and apple cider vinegar rinse once a week helps balance your scalp's pH, remove buildup, and give your hair a natural shine. 9. Regular trims. Get regular trims every 8-12 weeks to prevent split ends. This might sound counterintuitive, but trimming prevents damage and keeps your hair healthier in the long run. 10. Rice water rinse. Try a rice water rinse for a protein-packed treatment. It's rich in amino acids and vitamins, promoting strength and hair growth. 11. Avoid tight hairstyles. Loose hairstyles are the way to go. Avoid tight ponytails and buns that pull on your hair and weaken it over time. 12. Natural shampoos and conditioners. Finally, opt for shampoos and conditioners free of sulfates and parabens. Natural products are gentler on your scalp and promote healthier growth. There you have it, 12 natural tips to get long, healthy hair. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips.